Hello, my name's Anthony Allen. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel which is all about helping you with your video editing and editing in general so that you can tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you want to tell them and edit them the way that you would like to edit them. And here in this video, I'm about to reveal to you the thing that I use to record all of my footage for my YouTube channels. So, I record my own footage and edit my own footage for my YouTube channel. When I'm talking to you in this format, I'm using a specific thing to record myself. Some of you may think that it's a digital camera. Some of you may think that it's an iPhone or a phone. Some of you may think it's a DSLR that I'm using to record myself. I'm not using any of the above to record myself here. I'm basically using the built-in camera within my Mac, but that's not the special part. The special thing is the application that I'm using to record and save my file ready for editing. And the application that I'm using is, ready, drum roll please, QuickTime. So I'm using the QuickTime player to record my footage when I'm talking to you in this format for my YouTube channel and for you. I'm recording using QuickTime. So for those of you who have QuickTime on your device, I'm about to show you how you can use QuickTime to record your footage for your YouTube channel exactly in the way that I am doing for you now, because as you've noticed, I have an external microphone plugged in. The application allows you to use external sources to record your clips for your recording. So without further ado, I'm going to share my screen with you and show you how you can do this for yourself as well, so it'll make things a lot easier, especially if you already have QuickTime downloaded and installed. So let's get started showing you how to use QuickTime so that you can record your footage using either an external camera plugged into your device or a built-in web camera or web camera of some sort. So here we go, getting started with that method. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find QuickTime. So I've got QuickTime already here, and what it does on Mac is it basically opens up some windows. It opens up a window of your desktop or wherever you're recently using, or your default window place. So most of the time this can be documents. You actually want to click cancel on here. I know, yeah, strange, yeah, I'm clicking cancel at that point. And then I want to go up to file, well, you want to go up to file, and then you want to actually click movie recording. Now this movie recording will automatically open up your either built-in camera or your webcam, but you can actually change the source if you would like to change the source. So it's definitely a good alternative to OBS if you're not a fan of OBS and that sort of software. So here I'm going to click new movie recording. You also have the option to record your screen with QuickTime and record record an audio with QuickTime as well. Have an audio recording. We're going to click new movie recording. That will automatically, as you can see, it's opened up a window of this recording. Now you don't actually have to maximize the size of this recording here. So the application that has the webcam in the corner of the screen, the small webcam in the corner of the screen, that one I've made a video on as well, and if you'd like to see that and see what that software is, then definitely visit the card above or just look through my channel, and definitely hit the subscribe button as well, because you don't want to miss out on those sort of things, because I will be using things that I've either already spoken about or elaborating on further here on this channel, Anthony Allen Edits. So the screen that we're actually using right now for QuickTime is this one right here. Boom, 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 boom. And from this point, especially if you don't have what you need on screen, for example if your webcam is not enabled yet or so forth, you just want to click this little drop down here, and that will basically let you go through the options of things that you would like the recorder, the QuickTime, to use. So as you can see here, I'm using my FaceTime HD camera, which is built into my Mac. That's the one that you can see on screen, or the big one anyway. And then we've got a blue snowball microphone, that's the audio that is being given, and then I have other options down below, especially the high and maximum quality options. I would then hit record. I've turned down the sound because this could come from either the device behind me or one of the pieces of software that you're seeing on the screen now, which can be very confusing. But then at that point I would just hit the record button. Once I've finished recording, I can then have the option to export by going up to file and hitting export export as, and then you can choose how it's exported, or how I do it, I just click the X on the corner of the screen, and well, after I've clicked stop on the record, I click the X, and then it gives me the option to save that recording as a file and to a specific location. So there we have it. If you've enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell, because my videos, when I upload a video on a specific subject, I might lead on to that subject and have a lot more information and knowledge that when you put the two videos together, or the multiple videos together, you will absolutely smash it. You become an absolute media mogul and have like no restrictions in terms of your devices or software, or not having the money to buy something when you want to edit or create something with media. You will have no restrictions, trust me, but believe me, like, you definitely want to hit the subscribe button for that reason. And remember to hit the notification bell, because I upload here on AnthonyAllenEdits every single day. I upload daily, every day. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.